So, UCAT Verbal Reasoning Accelerator Experiment Day 2. Is speed reading going to be the way to actually answer these questions? As you saw yesterday, it was a complete flop when I tried to go too fast with the speed reading. So what I'm going to do today is try again and record this passage. I'm going to do 300 words per minute. So let's see if we can do it for that. So what I'll do is I will leave the recording timer on here so that you can see, and I'll edit the bits out so you don't have to watch me do all of this. So we did that in about 46.6 seconds, as you probably saw from the recording. I'm going to allow myself a minute to answer the questions. I'll edit some out, but you can see the timer going. So let's go now. Okay, so that took me just under a minute to do. Let's go back and have a look and review the questions. So the first one I put as A. Okay, so that one's wrong. So 0 out of 1. That one's right. So 1 out of 2. So 50% so far. Next one, I put A, and we got the answer C, 1 out of 3. And then let's see what the final one is. So that is, I put B, and that one's B. Okay, perfect. So I got 50%. What do I think about this experiment so far? It will need a little bit more practice. I'm going to try again tomorrow at this speed and see if just getting used to it a little bit more, because I think also I'm very conscious that I'm recording at the same time, and that's kind of putting me off. So I'm going to try one tomorrow where I maybe do it with less talking and a bit more action, so I can just think straight, and let's see how that goes. So tomorrow I'm going to try the same speed. I maybe allow a little bit more time for the answering questions, although a minute was actually quite good.